I was a designer for the project of the 148 Buccaneer. More or less entails designing it from scratch, although I was using the 72nd scale information that we had. That was very, very helpful. Yeah, it was definitely my favourite project and something I really relished the challenge of doing. But it was just one of those things where there was a lot of expectations because so many people have been asking for it. It's like, you got to meet those expectations. Yeah, first time I designed a kit with folding wings, so it was a bit more interesting. So here you can see there's a huge amount of detail on the wing fold. I mean, so much going on. So obviously, when you're designing it, you have to like really strip it back and understand what's going on and pick like some key areas that are actually moldable and possible. Yeah, it's just one of those ones in terms of what people have been requesting the 48 scale kit. Hopefully it has, people are happy with it. Just wonders what the next kit is everyone's going to be requesting for.